Guys, I'm in the fabric area. I was trying to get a piece of fabric to make an apron over at Walmart. I'm trying to press on this button so they can come, but you know, when you come to Walmart, it's forever to get somebody to cut a piece of fabric for you. They want you know.
We can get somebody for you. Then we'll get nobody.
People, man, it's so hard because there's only a certain person that does it. Like I don't need that much training on how to cut
And
the
it sucks
fabric.
because this department probably brings Walmart in all their money.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of people.
Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah.
I'm sorry about that, y'all.
Oh, no problem. Man. All righty.
If I knew how to do it, I would do it for you.
I'll wait for the next 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, you got it. Hopefully it's sooner than that. Hopefully it's way sooner.
Hey, nah, that's too much.
Too much. And the black one, next one, black one to clean.
Yeah.
See how disinterested she is?
Like you don't care.
This is too much?
That's alright if you want to.
No, I don't want alright. I want a nice looking bag. I want some women to go. People say, oh my God, where did you get your bag?
Excuse me, can I have somebody to cut some fabric for me?
They just called someone right now.
Okay. Alright.
They'll be here soon.
Alright. Folks, you see how many times you gotta come here and ask for somebody to cut a piece of fabric for you? I know you're gonna be that. So
That girl was very disinterested.
Yeah, like.
Oh, I guess they with a customer. What customer can the fabric cutter people be with? They need to be over here. She lied.
I know it was gonna be a star, so I don't worry about it. I just. But
I don't like red. That's not my favorite color.
So let's see how long it's gonna take before you have somebody show up. Let's see. This Walmart, folks. That's what you get when you come to Walmart.
I was confused. Because I only know these.
That's a magic zipper.
Yeah. How many yards?
2 yards. 2 yards.
Okay.
Guys, I'm doing a little woodwork at home and dust stuff. And
You're done right up with the people in Walmart?
yeah, I finished telling those folks off in Walmart for
For your fabric.
my fabric because it takes forever. And when you go there, you gotta fight them to come and cut a piece of fabric for you. Man.
Then the lady explained that not all of them has the printer. So you have to, she says she's there from Monday to Wednesday from 7 to 4. So if you want fabric, you have to go on those 3 days at that time.
Now I come back home, I'm hungry. I just cut this piece of chicken wings up.
You took off the little tip and then cut it in half,
I
right?
don't like the
And he's seasoned it up and he's gonna, what, broil?
I'm gonna broil it.
Okay.
Then
So I have to do the potatoes.
Then I'm gonna put some hot wings.
Hot sauce. Frank's hot sauce?
Huh?
Frank's?
See what?
The brand of the hot sauce, is it the Frank's?
Yeah,
Okay.
Hot wing pepper sauce, whatever it
I know
is.
there's some kind of light that's shining on you. What's going on?
So,
Okay guys, that's better. It just had some streaks going on the lens. It wasn't really dirty, but I guess when I cleaned it, didn't clean so well. Normally I wouldn't have like the dressing on my salad. If I want dressing, I put it off to the side, right? But I made that salad for the chopped up sandwich. Oh, I have my glasses on. Hope it's not flashing back in the camera. So this is my lunch. Thank you for doing the wings, boo. He's eating with rice. He not like no potato.
I like potato, but I don't feel like that. Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's about 4:30 right now, but it looked like 6 o'clock because it looked like you're getting ready to rain or something like that. It's all dark and all that stuff, but you know, we need the rain, so I ain't gonna complain. Hey folks, I'm a bit tired. I'm running around all day today. Went to the store, went to Walmart to buy me a piece of fabric to make a apron. So I got to fight with the people that are in there. Whenever time I go to Walmart, go buy fabric, boy, it's always a fight. Because you press the button and nobody show up. If you see one of the worker walk by you and tell them, Can I please get somebody to cut the fabric for me? Oh, yeah, miss, somebody will come right now. I'll tell somebody. You stay there and wait, the next 10 minutes, nobody show up. Can I get somebody to come here and cut me some fabric, please? You must be crazy. And then I stay right there. And after that, you see somebody come by and I get my fabric cut. And I calm again. I thank them. And I move. But whenever, honestly, I don't know why Walmart is like that. But whenever time you go to Walmart, you got to fight them to cut a piece of fabric. Man. And folks, thank you guys again for putting up with me. Thank you guys for subscribing, share, and like. Because like I say all the time, without you guys, I can't make it happen. You guys are the one that drive this machine. So thank you. Love you. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.